How do you get the most out of each shot? Use the 5-second rule next on the Compel Media Moment. Years ago, I learned the 5-second rule. This is a great method for getting lots of shot options when you're editing.
The idea is that at the beginning of each shot, you hold it still by counting for 5 seconds. Do some type of camera action, and then when your camera settles, you count again for 5 seconds.
This way, you get 3 shots when you go into editing.
In the case of a zoom shot, you start wide or close up, perform the zoom, then rest on your final shot for at least 5 seconds.
The 5-second rule also applies to panning left and right or tilting up and down.
Pick a shot, let it stay static for 5 seconds, then do your pan or tilt for up to 5 seconds, and then rest on your final shot for 5 seconds. Depending upon what you're shooting, you could let the beginning or ending shot go longer than 5 seconds, so you'll have some pad on either side of your shots in editing.
My experience is the more shot options you have, the better your end product will be, but you might want to experiment and see what works best for you. When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.